guys, welcome to another video. It's your girl Echo Jane here, and on this channel I bring to you all things natural hair recipe, lifestyle, DIY and motherhood. So in today's video we're going to be making a DIY leave-in hair conditioner using all these ingredients you are seeing. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing, turn on your post notification button so that you all be notified whenever I upload a new video. So we have our aloe vera there, our glycerin, our soda alcohol, shea butter, mango butter, emulsifier, preservative and vanilla fragrance. So let's get into this video proper. So the first thing we'll be doing is boiling our flax seed. So this is our organic flax seed. I'm going to boil this now. Then we can get our flaxseed gel ready for this process. So next I'm going to add in a cup of distilled water. I'll add in more water again. Then I'm going to put it on the fire. Now I'm done with boiling the flaxseed. I'm going to strain out the gel. So whenever you're doing it, make sure that your gel is still hot so that it can pass through your cheesecloth. If it gets cold, it becomes thicker and getting the gel out becomes difficult. So when doing this part, be very careful not to burn yourself, because this is very important. The steam is coming out. You can see my gel is coming out easily because it's still hot. Once it starts to cool down, it becomes thicker and thicker, and then it becomes difficult to pass through the hose. See what I'm doing? It's much easier coming out this way. So what I got here is enough for me even. So this is the much I got out. See how thick it is right now? It's becoming very thick. But this is enough for me. So now I have my aloe vera juice here. I already extracted it. So this is my aloe vera. This is the juice. I extracted it earlier on off camera. So guys, now it's time to measure out our aloe vera. So now I'm going to measure this aloe vera out, but you see, it's quite difficult to measure it out because the aloe vera doesn't even stay on the spoon. I'm going to measure out 12 spoons of aloe vera, but what I did instead is using water to measure into my measuring cup, and then when I got to the level I needed, I used a paper to indicate it. So this is for the aloe vera and this is for the flaxseed. So I'm going to pour it until I reach the level in which I measured, which is around 81 ml. So that is what I'm going to do, because this is quite difficult measuring it out. Even this is not really easy. So I've gotten it. I'm going to now turn it into my jar. Then the next is my flaxseed. So you can see the indication level of my flaxseed is up here. I'm going to measure in 18 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, and it's 122 ml. It has become so thick. So it's more than that. I'm going to reduce it now. Yeah, so that is my flaxseed gel. So I'm going to turn it in. So now we'll be adding in our glycerin. Please do not skip this step. We are adding glycerin because it's a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture from the environment to the hair and scalp. This helps keep hair hydrated, reducing frizz, dryness and static, and improving overall hair health. I'll be adding in 6 tablespoons of glycerin. So now we'll be moving into our oil-based ingredients. So the next ingredients we'll be needing is our emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax is used in leave-in conditioners to create a stable blend of oil-based and water-based ingredients, enhancing the overall texture and performance of the product. It also helps to bind these ingredients together, resulting in a smooth, easy to apply product, and also provides a silky feel that can help tame and detangle hair. I'll be adding in 3.5 tablespoons of emulsifying wax. Next is our cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is used in leave-in conditioners to act as a thickening agent and to help bind ingredients together, preventing them from separating. It also provides a moisturizing effect, and it is non-comedogenic, meaning it doesn't clog pores. I'll be adding in 2.5 tablespoons of my cetyl alcohol. Then we have our butters next. The next butter we'll be using will be our shea butter. Shea butter is used primarily in leave-in conditioners for its moisturizing and hydrating properties, which help to combat dryness, frizz and breakage. It also acts as a barrier to retain moisture, enhancing hair texture and shine. Shea moisture is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that contribute to overall hair health, making it a popular ingredient in leave-in conditioners in general. We'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of our shea butter. Our next butter is mango butter. Mango butter provides deep hydration and moisture retention, nourishing the hair and scalp. It also helps to strengthen hair follicles, reducing breakage and hair loss, as well as protect against dryness, frizz, and environmental damage, leaving your hair super soft, smooth, and shiny. We'll be using 1.5 tablespoons of mango butter. The next oil we'll be adding is my Ayurvedic hair growth oil that I made myself. This is a very powerful hair growth oil, and it's a game changer for this leave-in conditioner. The oil is made from all natural ingredients of herbs and spices that are very, very powerful and beneficial to the hair and scalp. It encourages nourishment from the root to the tips, activating the scalp to enhance hair growth. I'll be adding in 9 tablespoons of my hair growth oil. You could also use either olive oil, coconut oil, or any carrier oil of your choice. But for me, because of the many benefits of this Ayurvedic oil, I'll be sticking to my homemade Ayurvedic hair growth oil. If you want to know how to make this oil, I'll put the link somewhere above there so you can go watch and try it for yourself. So right now we have our oil phase and our water phase. So now the next thing we're going to do is the heating phase, which is also known as the melting phase. So I'm going to put in a hot water for it to melt. So let's go heat up our oil. So I have my oil here melting. So I have my oil here melting. So I'm going to now put in my water phase also, so that both can heat up to the same temperature. So now I'm going to turn both my water phase and my oil in here so I can blend everything together. I'm using it now. Let's go play somewhere else, please. So I went in with my vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, which is a natural antioxidant. We don't want this to go bad because it has water in it. Next is our tea tree oil. I went in with 12 drops of tea tree oil. Then you want to add in your preservative for a longer lifespan on the shave so it doesn't go bad. So I went in with 1.5 tablespoon of German Plus preservative. You want to add this, you don't want to skip this, if not your leave-in conditioner would go bad. So next is my fragrance oil. I couldn't get pure perfume fragrance, so I went for vanilla fragrance instead. I'll be going in with 2.5 tablespoons of my vanilla fragrance. It's not even up to that. I only have 2 tablespoons here, but you can go in with 2.5 tablespoons of your fragrance oil. Now we are going to mix everything together to combine everything that we have here. Make sure you are scraping your oil so that you can get everything mixed together. I use my spatula to get everything back inside so I can now do the last mixing of my leave-in conditioner cream. So guys, see my texture? It's so creamy. So I'm going to give this one last mix so that everything will combine real well. So it did the job, and our leave-in conditioner is ready. This is so creamy and it looks so moisturizing as well. I love the fact that there's aloe vera and flaxseed in here because these are moisturizing properties. So guys, this is the consistency I got. So now I'm going to transfer it into my storage bottle. It's a bit thicker than I expected.